If you're trying to go live on Facebook but keep seeing the "we are having trouble" error, here's how you can fix it quickly and start broadcasting without any hassle. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook and tap Update if available. Next, try closing the Facebook app completely and reopening it. This can clear minor glitches causing the live broadcast error. Now, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure your connection is stable. A weak connection often prevents live broadcasts from starting. After that, log out and log back into your account. This can refresh your session and fix any authentication related issue. Another step is to restart your device. A simple restart often resolves unexpected errors in the app. If you're still having trouble, try clearing the app cache. On iPhone, you can offload the app by going to the settings, then on General followed by iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and tap on Facebook, and finally tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall it from the App Store. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. Finally, check Facebook's server status at status.facebook.com to see if there is a temporary outage. If Facebook is experiencing server issues, you might just need to wait a bit before trying again. And that's all. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the "we are having trouble" live broadcast error on Facebook. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.